Hi guys, so we start by taking a pan on low flame, and here I'm adding in some gram dal, cumin seeds. We will dry roast this till a light smoke is released for about 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then we'll remove and keep this aside. In the same pan, I'm adding in some dry kasuri methi. Repeat the same. A light smoke is released after a minute, and we'll turn off the flame and keep this aside. Make sure to grind the gram dal and cumin seeds into a fine powder. Now in a pan on low flame, I'm adding in some dry red chilies, some cloves, black cardamom, crushed green cardamom, cinnamon, cumin seeds, and we'll saute this for about a minute until they turn light brown and a light smoke is also released, after which we add in some mustard oil, some butter, saute once, and I have finely chopped in ginger, garlic and onions into this texture, and I'm going to add this into the oil like this. Okay, make sure that it is finely chopped, otherwise use a chopper. Combine once, and we will cook this till the onions have turned golden brown. So this is the grinded powder of gram dal and cumin seeds, and now once the onions have turned golden brown, I'm adding in slit green chilies. Combining all of this well together, and again cover and cook this for about 2 minutes on low flame. After 2 minutes, pick off the lid and we'll add in the pepper powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and the grinded powder. Combine it once, and if you feel it's too dry, add in some oil and then combine it well, and we'll saute this for about a minute. Okay, and then we'll add in finely chopped tomatoes. Again use a chopper or finely chop them like this. Okay, add in salt as per taste and combine well, and we'll cover this and cook till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. So you can see that the tomatoes are well cooked. This is how the consistency should look like. Grainy but very soft. Okay, you need to turn off the flame and add a bit of the mixture into a separate bowl like this, and in a measuring cup I've added in hot milk. Okay, and add this hot milk into the masala like this. Combine well with a spoon. Add this into the kadai, turn the flame to low, combine well. Adding in some jaggery powder. Mix once and cover and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on low flame. So you can see this is how the consistency should need to be. Now the flame is still low. We add in garam masala and the roasted kasuri methi. Also adding in a bit of water. Combine all of this well together. Okay, cover and cook for about 10 minutes, saute in between. After 10 minutes, On low flame, it's been boiling for 10 minutes. This is how the consistency should be. Okay. That is when you add in cubed paneer and cover them with the masala like this. Don't mix it, otherwise they may break. Delicately. And again we'll cover this and cook for about 7 minutes on low flame. And now it is ready to be served. So this is dhaba style paneer masala. It goes best with butter naan, butter kulcha, butter roti, or even plain roti and ghee rice and so on. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Go try out this recipe and comment in the section down below how you liked it, and provide your suggestions too. Don't forget to also like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.